Welcome to BuyUcoin How To series. Today we will talk about how to withdraw cryptocurrency. From your dashboard, go to Wallet. Choose the cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw and click on Withdraw button. In this form you need to write the destination address, destination tag, amount which you want to withdraw, remarks, and now enter 2FA code from your authenticator app. Click on Withdraw button. Enter the 8-digit OTP received on your email, and now click on Submit. Your withdrawal is successfully done. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe BuyUcoin channel and check other how-to tutorials.